Okay, I have now checked all the valve clearances on them. I found that the intakes were off. So I readjusted those. I double checked the exhaust ones. So I'm going to go ahead and put the, they're all tightened back up. And I'm going to go ahead and put the tensioner or the valve covers back on. And we'll do a quick pressure check. Well,
Anaerobic adhesive?
No, I don't have it. I don't have it. Okay, I got my valve covers back on. They're tight. I didn't torque them because I don't. This old stuff now, you just want to tighten it as tight as you can get it. Because sometimes the torque bolt, the bolts are so old that they'll snap off, and I do not need any of that mess going on. So let's see what we got for compression. See if we were successful. Just a couple of pointers here. Got to make sure that is TDC on the compression stroke. This pulley here that goes to a fan. Where the heck did it go?
Down by your feet?
Probably down by my feet.
Oh, that stuff's got to be put back together.
Yeah, there it is here. It goes through. I'm not sure exactly what it is.
It's decorative.
I guess because the intake's facing right here. The exhaust is facing right here. And basically, what I did is I just had my long ratchet here and just ran everything through everything. But there should be a mark on. There should have been a mark on that too, to give you a heads up as the way on the mark on TDC. And you know what I did? I did not mark that. Son of a gun. Anyway, all right. You really got to roll it through to make sure you're on that. I watched the valves go into their open and close, and then wait till it comes to the top where both valves are closed, and then I know I'm in TDC. And then again, you look right in there, keep that line.
Put it away.
Make sure the line is correct.
You shouldn't have to pull it apart and put it together. It was already pulled apart.
No, it's not there. Okay, here we go. I got my spark plug back in. I got my fuel injector plugged back in. Everything's tight. I haven't got the little fan and stuff back in there, but that ain't got nothing to do with firing it up. And so here we go. I got fuel. One more time. We have ignition. Stronger, I think. Oh, my drop. Huh?
Let's see, you lost the washer out of there. You want to step off the wheel.
Okay. I definitely like what I hear. Like what? Like what? All right, this is finishing up today. We got the bed back on. She's got the sides and most of the push pins back in. Got that all bolted down. We still have to do this side here. And of course, I still got to do the I got to put the floorboard back in. And we're looking at doing the fuel tank. She's got that on order, but I think we're just going to go ahead and put it all back together, and then when it really starts to leak again, it really isn't leaking that bad, but when it starts leaking really bad, then I'm going to have to go ahead and we'll go ahead and pull it if it isn't here. Tomorrow's Sunday, so there's no way it's going to even get here this weekend. So fuel pump's got to come out. The fuel transmitter is going to have to come out. But doing the valves on it today, I brought it from 90 psi to 150. And if you've been hearing it prior to this, you may hear a big difference in the way it's running. We definitely do. So with a new fuel pump and the compression increased, the only other thing that I can think about right now is maybe another fuel injector. But other than that, we'll get it out and have to ride it around. It's definitely gone from 90 psi, which I'm figuring is probably about maybe 25 to 28 horses coming out of that motor on up to where it needs to be. They wanted like 140. I think it's like 145 in the book, but I don't know. After adjusting the valves to where they said it's supposed to be, that's the PSI I get out of it. So I really can't change that, and I'm not gonna get back in there and keep fiddling with it. It's just a pain in the balls. This being a 13 to begin with, it's we're gonna get the life out of it we can. So we're gonna go from that and see how she runs. It's definitely gone. It's definitely gone from, I figure, probably about 25 horses to its 40, 45, 46 brand new horses. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Moto Z6 Quad Boss.